Hello, this is a very short demo of how the new redesigned storage page behaves in narrow layouts, like on mobile. So this is the normal wide layout. You have a table here, a couple of disks and menus here. And let's make that narrow. And then it changes to a list of cards, kind of. And yeah, you don't see any hierarchical relationships anymore here. And no labels. I hope the positioning or the content of the text is enough to identify what that is. And yeah, so technically it's interesting. This is complete separate code from the table that we have seen in the wide layout. So we don't have to fight pattern fly or anything to make changes to this here now. So we can decide freely how we want this to be implemented. This is now a card with a lot of split layouts in it, but we can do whatever we want. The menu is still here. It's unchanged. And if we click on one, you see the familiar cards with the arrows in between, but now there are no buttons here. Now we also get a kebab drop down here with the actions. That matters if you have a whole lot of them here. Maybe we can make it so that we show one or two buttons, but more than two go into a menu or not. I think consistency is also valuable. Yeah. I was thinking maybe it makes sense to only show the first level by default in mobile, but then you can never find your file systems here. So I think we probably should wait with getting more fancy until we have real filtering that the user can influence, so that if they can, on the overview, click a button that tells show only the file systems, then we might start out by default in a mode where we only show the top level, so that you still can get to everything here on the overview. Yeah, logical volumes look like this. This is maybe, it's an example of where we have a lot of buttons. No, we don't actually. There are not a lot of buttons here. I think MD rates have lots of buttons. Yeah, anyway, that's the idea. So, just to say it again, this layout here is completely in our hands. This is my first try at it, and whatever you want, it can be done here. Okay, thanks a lot.